Konnichiwa. This is Taro from Kodama Koi Farm. Today, I'd like to show you how to treat a sick koi. First of all, we have to make a koi sleep. So to make a koi sleep, we use sleeping medicine. And a lot of people put the sleeping medicine to the bucket right away. But I wouldn't do that. This is what I would do. I use a plastic bag. This is a plastic bag that we use to ship the koi with. If you have received koi from us or from someone else, I'm sure that you have one of those bags. And then I put the koi in a plastic bag, okay? And then I will put a sleeping medicine. About a cup full. And then, well, let me sit and shake it. I like this method because, first of all, I can save chemicals. I can minimize the use of chemicals. Two, I don't have to worry about koi jumping out of the bucket. So, and then I'm gonna shake that water very well so that koi will go to sleep quickly. And for about the sleeping medicine, I know a lot of people use olive clove. You can just get those at the drugstore, maybe from Amazon. But personally, I do not like olive clove because it knocks down koi so strong, and it's kind of hard for them to kind of come back. So I usually use koi sleep because it's very mild, gentle. It will make the koi sleep slowly, and it will make the koi recover so quickly. So if you do not have any sleeping medicine, I would suggest you get a koi sleep. And even though you don't have any sick koi right now, you never know when you need it. So make sure that if you have a koi pond, if you enjoy koi, make sure that at least you have a set of medications, including koi sleep, on hand. Okay, now koi is kind of sleep. I usually kind of have a twist, kind of play with koi a little bit to make sure that koi is sleepy enough. Okay, so now koi is asleep. So you can see a little bit of wound here. First, I like to wipe off the moisture very well. Then you can put the ointment. I like 4Life. You can buy this from Amazon, but any type of antibacterial. I know this is not an antibacterial, but you can go to a drugstore. You can buy antibacterial cream ointment, just like this. Okay, and then what I do is, okay, koi is coming up. I also use bouillon liquid. Let me spray this first before koi. I like bouillon liquid. I know this is not originally, developed for the ulcers like this. Bouillon liquid originally developed for Hikui disease, but it's very sticky and it really seals the wounds like this. So I use bouillon liquid a lot as a sealer. So now this infected area is sealed completely, so that even though it goes back to the water, the medicine will stay there. For this type of like a kind of deep wound, I usually use potassium permanganate, those purple powder. And then I'm going to just put a little bit medicine. I make a really kind of more like a strong paste of this. Okay. Strong paste. And then if you look at the wound here, I'm going to make sure that I wipe off the moisture and then kind of put the, excuse me. It's almost like, strongly, powerfully disinfecting the area. So this is kind of killing all the germs. Okay, so now I'd like to show you how to give injection. There are so many website, YouTube, blogs that shows you how to give injections. I'm pretty sure that you might be already knowledgeable about this, but this is how I would give injections. I know there are so many different places to give injections. Some people do it here, but my favorite spot is here on the foot of the pectoral fins. This is where the muscle is kind of exposed, so I don't have to deal with scales. So just like this, we give injections, and then this is it. So, to give injections to koi, don't do it yourself. Make sure that you get a help from your local vet. So this is it. This is how I would treat really bad wound of the koi, and then maybe in about a week time I'll come back, take a look again. This is it. Thank you.